This is Rebecca from Homemade Gifts, and I'm going to mix the colors blue and green. While blue is a primary color, green is a secondary color created through blending yellow and blue. This means that the color they make won't be as dramatically different as something like mixing two primary colors together, because you're adding more blue to something that already has blue in it. This blend becomes what we generally call teal. But there's a whole array of teals, from the more lake-like green teals to the more oceanic blue teals. Once I'm done swatching my blues and greens, let's play around with mixing these right on a coloring page. Now that we have our blue and green blend and have made our favorite teal color, it's time to color with it. Thanks for watching.